Yes, sir. Hello, friends. Today I am going to present about the post-colonial literature. Today's my topic is the gender role of in finance work, black skin, white marks. Brief introduction about what is post-colonial literature. Colonialism is imperialism are often used interchangeably. The word colonialism, according to the Oxford Dictionary, comes from the Roman colonia, which means farm or settlement, and referred to Romans who settled in other land but still retained their citizenship. According to Oxford Dictionary, a settlement in a new country, a body of people who settled in a new locality forming a community subject to or connected with their parent state. The community so formed consisting of the original settlers and their descendants and succeeders as long as the connection with the parent state it kept up. Then black skin, white marks, Faison Fanon. Faison Fanon combines autobiographic case study, philosophy, and psychological theory in order to describe an analysis and the experience of black men and women white control society. Domain is especially interested in the experience of black people from French colonized island in the Caribbean, like himself, who have to come to live in France themselves. He explores how these peoples are encouraged by a racist society to want to become white, but then experience serious psychological problem because they aren't able to do so. Next topic, next slide. The gender role of in finance black skin white marks. In black skin white marks, women are considered as a subject almost exclusively in terms of their sexual relationship with men. Feminine desire is thus detained as an overly literal and limited sexuality, but through feminine subjectivity clearly deserve broader description. The dimensions of its confinement within black skin white marks uh, indicate the architecture of racist masculinity or and femininity in the colonial context. Next, black woman subjectivity, race and gender. By examining the role of gender and black skin white marks, I am in Fanon speak that I am too broad and Fanon's outline of black women seen subjectivity and to work toward delineating the interdependence of race and gender. Although they made from a common construction of otherness in psychoanalysis discourse, wrestling difference and sexuality difference intersect and interact in contractually variable. Then mythical significance of post-colonial theories. It is gesturing toward multicultural context. Nearly Forrestal, a gender critic of black skin white mask. Fanon recorruption as a global theories. Gates noted that Fanon is mobilized as in ethnographic contracts and it used as both totem and text to model a unified theory of prison. According to Gates, pressing Fanon into the service, a global theory colonized problems either a sentimental um, romance of alterity complete with a utopian vision of fully achieved independence from the colonial relation or a conception of that reaction as close inescapable system. Then visual difference in gaze white. First question that launches Fanon's inquiry: what does the black people want? Q went, I am nowhere. This is psychology of colonialism, raised the psychologistic territory of otherness from femininity. As Homi Baba noted, with a question that echoes Freud, what does women want? Freud turns to confront the colonized world in contrast of Fanon's Freud question, which has become emblematic of woman's ability to determine her own meaning within patriarchal significance. Fanon's recovers a certain power of self definition. Freud addressed his question to men, not women, and eclipsed masculine desire for men. Fanon is both subject and object, encounter address of this question of desire. Next, Fanon's experience of corporeal disintegration under the white gaze. The relationship between viewer and scene is always one of fracture, patrial identification, pleasure and destruct. As if Freud found the aptest analogy for the problem of our identity as human subject in failures of vision or in a violence which can be done and image it is offers itself to view. Vision is instrumental in production, both racial and sexual different, but the violence done to spectator is not the same as that done to spectator in scopic regimes of race and gender. Sexual difference may operate in a visual field, but men and women are uh, accorded disparate position in that differentiation. Then Fanons and the woman and color. Um, the woman of color and the white man, and its correlative chapter, the men of color and white woman, provide a gendered comparison of the desire of some colonized black and inhabit whiteness through a socio-sexual relationship with the white partner. Done like links this psychosexual desire to mimicry. The Blake's confirmation with whiteness is automatically pathological. Most frequently takes the form of a certain mimicry. This mimicry is characteristic of the both sexes. Fanon devotes a separate chapter to each, making his analysis circulate and around a literature text in each state instead. Then hierarchy of difference. An elegiac analysis of black skin, white mask by Homi Baba, Fanon's foremost post-colonial explicator and the staunchest advocate of his psychologistic approach, exemplified the critical tendency to gloss over Fanon's illusion of gender. Homi Baba says in his essay, remembering Fanon, striving to preserve Fanon's near mythical state while acknowledging Fanon's theoretical limit. Thank you. These are the references.
You have referred to this dark